This is BT33 PIR motion sensor detector sensor with concealed LED light bulb of 7 watt and can be connected externally up to 500 watt extra load also. This can be used widely wherever you need to light on and off frequently, such as washroom, lobby, gallery, parking, staircase, garages, garden, etc. This has inbuilt LED light, but special thing is that you can externally connect it with up to 500 watt load also. For connection of inbuilt light, simply connect phase and neutral wire. And for adding external load, the diagram is mentioned here. So I hope you like this PIR motion sensor light bulb. Get and make your home smarter and energy saving with BlackT ElectroTech.